Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your iPhone not turn off after 30 seconds. To prevent your iPhone from turning off after 30 seconds or to change the auto lock time, you need to adjust the auto lock settings. Here's how you can do it. On your home screen, go ahead and tap on the Settings app to open it. Scroll down and choose Display and Brightness. In the Display Brightness menu, tap on Auto Lock, and here you will see several options ranging from 30 seconds to 5 minutes, or never. Choose the desired duration, or choose never to prevent your iPhone from automatically turning off. Once you choose an option, it will automatically be applied. By following these steps, you can easily adjust how long it takes for your iPhone screen to turn off, giving you more control over your device's behavior. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.